Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up custom welcome messages on Discord servers. It's really easy, and the first what we need to do here is to set up a bot. But first, of course, to log into Discord and go to the website that is called me6.xyz, and then press to add to Discord. And then you need to select the server that you want to basically set up the bot and the welcome messages. So I will go with Among Us voice chat server. And then, as you can see here, you need to authorize it. You need to wait for a bit here and press here continue on the new window, and then press on the bottom authorize it, right? And once you're done, you need to wait again for a few seconds, check up that you're not a robot, and then you need to probably fill out the catch. And no, you don't need to do that. Again, you need to wait for a bit, and then you will be redirected to this page. And here you need to press on the welcome, give new users a warm welcome, right? And then you need to toggle this on, send message when a user joins the server. And also you can toggle the button that says send a private message to new users. And then, as you can see here, what we need to do here is to select the channel. So I will go on general, and then you can type your custom message. So for example, subscribe to YouTube, right? And then also you can set up custom private message. And once you're done, what you need to do here is to press save, right? And guys, if I go now on the server that I set up custom welcome message, so accept invite, and if I go on the server here, we can see that I got a custom message. Hey Paul B, welcome to the test one, subscribe to YouTube. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.